What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are doing something absolutely insane. I'm not giving away $1 million, but I am going to give you the secrets to making your own money online. We are breaking down 10 legit ways to earn passive income from your computer. No scams, no get-rich-quick schemes, just real, actionable strategies. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, this is the video you've been waiting for. I've researched these. Some are insanely easy to start, and I'll lay it out step by step. Before we jump in, obliterate that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's get into it. First up, freelancing, one of the fastest ways to make money online. If you can write, design, edit video, code, or organize as a virtual assistant, you can sell it. Create a profile, showcase your work, and start bidding on jobs on major gig marketplaces. Take smaller gigs first, stack 5-star reviews, then raise your rates. One day you're designing a logo for a startup in Australia, next day writing posts for a company in Canada. It's active at first, but it's the foundation for a business you can later systemize. Next up, affiliate marketing, real passive income. Make money while you're sleeping, eating, or on vacation. Pick products you believe in, join their affiliate program, get your unique link. Place the link in blog posts, YouTube descriptions, and your social bios. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No product, shipping, or support. Promote what truly helps your audience. Trust drives conversions. One post or video can earn for years. It scales beautifully. Why sell others' products when you can sell your own digital assets? Ebooks, courses, photo presets, workout plans, printable templates. Create once, sell forever. No inventory or shipping. After creation, margins are insane. Drop shipping. Build a store, list products. A supplier ships directly to your customer. You keep the margin. Print on demand lets creatives sell designs on shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and posters. Upload the design. Platforms handle printing, packing, and shipping. You earn a royalty. A clever idea or timely trend can start selling overnight with zero inventory risk. Now, true passive income, investing, make your money work for you. Start with ETFs. One fund holds hundreds of stocks like an S&P 500 ETF, instant diversification. As businesses grow, so can your investment, and dividends pay you for owning shares. The earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. You're on YouTube now. Start your own channel. It takes work, consistency, and audience building, but the payoff can be huge. Monetize with ads, sponsors, merch, and affiliate links. Your channel becomes the hub of your online business. Pick a niche you love and start making videos. Your audience will find you. Then watch as diversified income streams stack over time. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours unlock ad revenue. But think bigger. Brands, products, and long-term equity. Prefer writing to camera? Start a blog. Blogging isn't dead, it evolved. People search nonstop. Your posts can answer and rank. Monetize with display ads, sponsored posts, and powerful affiliate links. One well-ranked article can earn for years with minimal upkeep. Got extra space? List a spare room or property on major short-term rental platforms. You control the calendar, pricing, and house rules. Rent weekends or run it full-time. Hire cleaners and a manager to make it nearly hands-off cash flow. Easiest money, cashback and rewards apps. Get paid for shopping you already do. Or build simple apps and games. Monetize with ads, in-app purchases, or a small price. Once live, apps can generate passive income for years. 10 powerful ways to make money online, from freelancing and digital products to investing in content. Pick one or two and start today. Momentum beats perfection. Which method will you try? Comment below, smash like, subscribe, and go build your empire. See you next time.